Hi guys, welcome back to the MindSpace. So today I have a really exciting unboxing video for you. It's another iMac accessory and this video is in collaboration with the brand Minisopuru. Minisopuru is a brand for office electronics and their goal is to create simple and practical products that are user-centered. They focus on design and diversified production to help improve office efficiency. They have various products such as displays and dock stations, but today's video will focus on their iMac USB Hub. The hub is available in green, blue, silver or yellow. Currently the yellow one is not available and I have the silver one. On the hub you get an SSD enclosure, 3 USB-A ports, 1 USB-C port and a microSD and SD card slot. Inside the bag you get some assembly tools, an instruction manual and the hub itself. So now we're just going to take a quick look at that actual hub. It is beautiful. Look at this detail, look at the build quality. The hub is made from metal, which makes it feel really premium, and it also adds a bit of weight to the base of your iMac. That comes in handy when your iMac is in use because it prevents it from sliding around. The hub connects to the iMac via a USB-C cable, and if we flip it around you find 2 non-slip pads, and the super cool thing is you also get the option to add an internal solid-state drive. Installation instructions can be found on the sticker at the back, and to make full use of the product I actually went out and bought a solid-state drive myself. I purchased a 1TB SSD because I work with a lot of large media files. With the USB hub you get a screwdriver, some screws, a non-slip pad, and you also get your instruction manual for installation. First you want to take your screwdriver and open the cover slip that's on the back. You then want to take one of these teeny weeny screws that's got a cross on one end and it's flat on the other side, and you want it crossed down. You then want to take your SSD, align the connectors and clip it in at an angle. Push it down and then you take another screw and screw it into place to hold it. And as if by magic you have extra storage right under the base. Just going to pop on the cover slip and screw it back into place. Instead of clipping to the iMac, this USB hub goes right under the base of the Mac. It sits so snug. I'm just going to turn around the iMac and connect it at the back. Now, if you're like me and you care about aesthetics, this is the product for you. Look how beautiful it looks. It sits flush against the base. And if you choose to colour match, it will blend right into the iMac. To show that it's on, it's got a light indicator. And the first time that you connect it, it will say that the disk you attached was not readable by this computer. Do you want to eject, ignore or initialize? We're going to initialize. At this point you want to select the external drive, and if you look up in the top right corner you will see a button that says erase. When you click it, you'll get the option to rename your drive to anything of your choice. Now it's just going to do its thing, and you can use this for Time Machine or for extra disk space. Now when I edit on Final Cut Pro, I don't have to worry about disk space. I can simply send all of my render files to the external drive, which is neatly tucked away underneath the hub. I would 100% recommend this product. All the relevant links will be listed below, and I really hope you've enjoyed the video. Bye!